I'm Blake. I'm with Modern Roofing. Today we're at Mr. Gary's house. We're going to be performing a repairability. So we're on the right slope. I have it written down right here. Looks like 12.9 squares were paid for, 13 with waste. We measured this out at about 14 squares, so a little confused. So we're going to perform a repairability on this right slope and then show you some additional damage that we found on the left slope to justify coverage open, no damage. So yep, here's the wind damage shingle. We'll take this out, put a brand new one in, and just see how it does. But we'll start off by breaking the seals. Some mat transfer on there. Yeah. Some technical difficulty. Shingles are excruciatingly hot. Thank you, sir. Let me check it out. Okay. So we just got the shingle out. You can see some mat transfer on. Give me look at that. The phone here. I'll take some close-ups of this stuff. You can see some of the mat transfer on there, like right in there. Like you can see some of the fibers showing. Some right in there. Try not to bend these shingles too much. They're already brittle as it is, and we got some right in there. So I mean, literally, this entire top row is not gonna ever seal back down properly. Luckily for this row, not really much going on this. Well, look at that. He had a little bit right there. But yeah, we'll put a brand new shingle in and see how it does. Get you back to phone. See, this shingle is already sealing back down. Oh, the nail broke. Don't like that. I think there was an extra bit over there. I had to get some new nails from the truck. ripping going on from the snake tool right up in here. You can see just fiberglass. Yep, these shingles aren't sealed back down, but these three were, because there's matting transfer on here. Yep, not sealed back down. Well, for starters, there's granulars all over the place. So, we do have some creasing starting to develop. And then quite a bit of bruising. So we got some bruising right here, creasing along the top of there. We obviously have the ripping right there. I'll get it. So, I mean, we just had some small rippings on the edges. Bruising from the snake tool, so just trying to put the nails in right there. And then you can see the creasing right there. And once again, you can see these shingles are starting to seal back down. These shingles are just completely still loose from that mat transfer that I showed you guys earlier. And then arguably some creasing on this one as well. But yeah, so for the right slope is clearly unrepairable. So if we come up the slope, and we come over here to the right slope, which technically would be the back, we have some wind damage shingles here. Clear stay creasing, seals are completely broken. And then just a completely missing corner shingle. You can see where the tar lines were. And then of course the shingle was ripped off, which would justify coverage being opened up on this slope. So, thank you.